food truck. Cloverdale exhibition. It's a nice weather.
Mom, Jackie wants you.
Do you want me?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, this is the place.
No event parking.
Mini donuts too. Due to copyright of the music, I have to turn down the volume on some part of the recording. Tornado potatoes.
That's really long.
Yummy. Peel it. Hey, Father's getting what?
Half rack rib.
Half a rack rib, Zaki. Zaki. Half a rack rib. Something here. So many people. Hey, Food Truck Festival 2025. Zaki, you want to eat, Zach? Yeah. Mac and cheese done. There is Showtime. What is this about? It's like tacos, barbecue skewers, sushi, corn dogs. We're gonna go and look for some corn. There's fusion icy. There's shuckin' barbecue. Beaver tail. Beaver tail is pretty good. Oh, look at that dog. Taste of Malaysia. There's sandwich shop. We will try the corn on the cob. Okay, ice cream. A little ice. Come on, Josh. Ice cream. Cooking area. Josh, you're being silly. You're being silly. Coon's grabbing. What is it? Just a classic corn? Buttercorn. Buttercorn.
I didn't want to get
Zach.
spicy, so the
Look
kids
at
can
Zach.
have some.
And then they're sharing the ice cream.
You want corn, Alex?
Alex.
Want
No,
corn?
he doesn't want it. He wants ice cream. Father, you want hot dog? Get hot dog.
Oh, I'm eating corn first.
Yummy, Josh? Sharing is caring. Show me your jelly beans. So we have hot apricot. Hey, Don, get out of here.
Barbecue sauce that we have?
Cherry barbecue chicken and ribs. Do you want it?
No, do you have a really hot sauce?
Yeah, so these are our two spiciest ones. This is the spiciest, the orchard cayenne, and then the peach habanero is a little bit less spicy. This will give you the cayenne.
How is it?
Candy tastes like
Flavorful.
real candy.
Okay.
You should try it.
That's what it's your
Want to try it?
Try it. Burn your bum. Go.
Ah, it's yummy. Taste it, Mom. Taste it.
Yeah, it's spicy. Ang Lei, go.
How much is that one?
13. We're done
should try it.
eating. Now heading home.